Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with personal capital for portfolio tracking access, detailed guide step by step clear. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Personal Capital website. Click on the sign up or login button, depending on whether you already have an account. If you are creating a new account, fill in the required details such as your email address and a secure password. After entering your information, click Create Account or Continue. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your new account. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Personal Capital website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Investment tab on the dashboard. Look for the option that says Add Account or Link Your Accounts. Click on this option to start the linking process. You will see a list of financial institutions supported by Personal Capital. Search for your bank or brokerage by typing its name into the search bar. Once you locate your institution, click on it to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials securely. Input your username and password as required, then click Login. If your bank uses two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen prompts to enter the verification code. Once authenticated, you may be asked to select specific accounts to link. Choose the accounts you wish to track and click Connect. Personal Capital will now begin to sync your portfolio data. This process may take a few moments, depending on the number of accounts you have linked. Once completed, your portfolio will be displayed on the Personal Capital dashboard. You can now monitor your investments, analyze performance, and set financial goals. Your accounts will continue to sync regularly, ensuring you have up-to-date information. If you need to add more accounts later, simply return to the Investment tab and repeat the linking process. To manage your connected accounts, you can access settings from the dashboard at any time. Explore the various features available to enhance your portfolio tracking experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.